In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks fan. We have featured a 24-volt fan. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your fan may look different than the model used to film this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Carefully lift the fan out of the box and set it down. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, these items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing and removing the battery. Do not install or remove battery while the fan is running. Align the lift ribs on the battery with the grooves in the compartment, then push it in until you hear a click. To remove the battery, press and hold the release button, then pull the battery out of the compartment. If you don't have a charged battery, that's not a problem. You can also plug the speaker directly into a power outlet using the included adapter. The included power adapter will not charge the battery. Starting the fan. With the battery installed or the fan plugged into AC power, press the on-off switch. The fan will start at the lowest speed. Stopping the fan. To turn the fan off, simply press the on-off switch. Adjusting the speed. This fan has 5 speed settings. Press the speed adjustment button to cycle through them. The red lights will show your current speed level. Memory function remembers your last speed setting. Adjusting the fan head. Do you need to change the direction of airflow? Hold the auxiliary handle, unlock the side knobs, and swivel the fan head to your desired angle. Then tighten the knobs to lock it in place. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.